welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in this particular video we're going to talk about how you can create something like this red color, green color. This is something called traffic light display. So you might have seen such kind of like places where they have used, if the criteria is not fulfilled, I just want to see that as a green color, as a red color LED bulb. So how you can create this one in QlikView? So it's very simple. So how you can do it? So just to copy this thing like in your text format, what you can do, just go to new sheet object, go to your chart properties, and you don't have to do anything, just press next until this expression tabs comes on. So when this comes, go to this image section, and now you can see there is multiple images. So you can find like LED green, LED blue, orange, red. So I can take any one, like let me take this green one. So this is the LED. Now I will just paste it. So this is the image for this. So I will copy this entire name of this PNG. I will press OK and just cancel it. I just don't want that chart property. Right click it, go to new sheet object, just create a text box. So if you create a text box, you can give like a condition here. Just paste it here. Now what you can do is you can just put a condition that like if 2 plus 3 is greater than 3, like as a simple condition. If it is greater than 3, then if it is true, then give that thing as a green color, and if it is false, then put that thing in red color. So this is G for green and R for red. So now let's close the bracket. Now expression is OK. Press OK, and just when you see this representation, just go and change it to image, and just for clarity I am giving a transparency of 100. So now you can see that I am getting a green LED, and you can just resize it as you want. So similarly, if you want like a red LED or something like that, press the key and just drag it here, so that you don't have to like use Control C, Control V. You can just press Control and put your mouse here, click it and drag it here. So that will do the work. Again, what I can do is, instead of just 5, what I can do here is, so instead of going there also, you should have like came here, go to image variable, and you can copy paste it from here itself. So it's your choice where you want to do and copy paste the thing. So yeah, let me see here as 5. I think 5 will work. So 2 plus 3, if it is greater than 6, then only do this, or else red condition. So now you can see that this is in red because 3 plus 2 is 5, and I'm just checking whether this is greater than 6 or not. So hopefully this made you learn like how you can create this visuals. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.